El Niño is a warming of the waters in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. That warming pattern causes a shift in the jet stream, which in turn can bring wetter conditions and flooding to the southern U.S. and warmer and drier conditions across the northern part of the country. The winter of 1997-98 was an El Niño year, the strongest El Niño of record at that time. Northeast Tennessee experienced deadly flooding due to a surge of warm, moist air from the Gulf Coast. At the same time, Roan Mountain had over a foot of snow on the top of the mountain, and the snow melted quickly as warm air and heavy rains moved in, sending floodwaters crashing down the Doe River into Elizabethton. 7 people died. The strong southern branch of the jet stream can increase lift and shear in the atmosphere at times, which can then lead to an increase in winter tornadoes across the southeast, including Tennessee. Strong El Niño conditions are forecast for this winter. Let's look at the 3 strong El Niños of the past. The winter of 82-83 produced 21.9 inches of snow in the Tri-Cities, while the winter of 2015-16 produced 18.4 inches of snow. Both of those years were strong El Niño winters. I do want to point out that during the strong El Niño of 1997-98, the Tri-City area recorded heavy snow during the month of January of 1998. However, that data was not officially recorded by the National Weather Service from the Tri-City Airport. Here is my winter weather forecast. I'm predicting that we'll see an increase in snowfall this year. The Tri-Cities averages 9.2 inches of snow during the entire winter season. I also think that this might be the winter that we look south to watch for the potential for a few big storms that could bring accumulating snows to our region. That being said, if we're on the wrong side of the storm in the warm air, we would see heavy rain and warm temperatures. Given our current dry weather pattern and the variables with snowfall over the last strong El Niños I mentioned earlier, I'm leaning more towards a normal snow season. I'm forecasting 6 to 9 inches of snow for this upcoming winter. However, if we get a few strong southern storm systems and they move in the right direction with the cold air, we could double that average snowfall.